Right, so in this video it's going to be about how to install bike grips to your motocross bike. It's so simple, so easy. So all you want to start doing is getting your Stanley blade and cutting across the grip just like so. I'll show you. Onto the other one, you want to get your Stanley blade and just literally cut through it like that. You want to try and get this off without disturbing the throttle here. So the next thing is you want to get your new grips, and one of them is going to be bigger than the other. And you also want to get some glue on these to make it a bit more easier to slide them on. And yeah, let's do it. What you want to do is just start getting this, and make sure that your bars are nice and clean so the grips go on properly. And you want to just have like 3 dabs of glue. And once these grips are on, it's gonna you're gonna want to twist it and get all that glue all the way around. That is the end of the video. Step number 1, make sure your bars are nice and clean. So if the bike's been dropped in the past, you don't want any dirt on there. So you want to get a wire brush or something just to rake all that dirt out. And then step 2, you want to get some glue, put some glue on it, just like dabs. And then you want to stick the grips on, make sure that the glue is wrapped around all the grips. And yeah, that should be your grips fully installed. My bike is in bits at the minute, so that's going to be my next YouTube video. That's coming. I'm in the process of editing the video and everything, so yeah, that video is going to be out in the next couple of weeks, hopefully. Yeah, the frame's getting shot blasted and everything, so yeah, if you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe or like the video, whatever. Do what you have to do, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.